I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today we are in a very long line to get into the Dragonfest in Springfield, Missouri, where I hear there's going to be camel rides. While I have ridden a camel before, Robert has not, and I think we're going to find out about that. You can see a horse behind me, Allison, getting ready for the fair. I don't know if it's part of the jousting or if they're going to give rides. I don't know. We'll see. Handmade in Northumbria by this lady's sister. These are actually big, heavy horses, and it's supposed to be full contact jousting. We'll see. Show you that on my counter. It's a bit windy, it's very, very crowded, and it's really warming up. We're going out for ice cream. Oh my gosh, we had so much fun. I didn't buy much. I was actually looking for some new clothes. I'd like to have something different. This really did shrink. I used to wear this when I was bigger, and the arms were very long. So I really do need a new something. But let me show you what I got. Check out my dragon incense. Is that the coolest? Loving it. It was the Dragonfest that we went to today. And Robert and I bought this dragon egg. And I liked it because it's incandescent like my fingernails, because that's how dragon scales are. Because I know I've seen dragons before. Right. And then I got these really cool, actually Darren had a really cool idea I will show you later. They are like necklace cages. They are so cool. And they lock. This comes down and locks. Okay, so I had this idea for one of my collabs coming up for my Blythe to carry a crystal ball in this little cage. And it locks. Isn't that cool? And then she can open up and there's a crystal ball in there. Oh, so cool. And then the other thing I got is for someone very dear to me. I got 2 dragon ornaments. I thought they were cute. And then when we got home, this was in the mail. So I will be showing you an unboxing because I have another Blythe that came in the other day that I have not opened and a book I want you to see. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.